Hi everyone. How are you today? Let's learn English conversation with me. 13. Talking to professor about leaving early.
Professor, I am going to need to leave class early today.
What is the problem?
I need to go to the airport to pick up a relative.
Are you planning on having someone take notes for you?
Yes, I've got that part covered.
When exactly do you need to leave?
I don't need to leave until the very end of class.
Fine, but next time try and not have to miss class again.
Thanks, Professor. See you later.
See you later. Drive carefully.
Excuse me, Professor, I have a problem and need to leave class early.
Why do you have to leave early?
I am not feeling well.
Could you make it up by attending my other section this week?
Yes, it's all taken care of.
Are you leaving right away or can you stay for a few more minutes?
I can stay a few more minutes.
Okay, but please make sure that you get all of your makeup work completed.
Thanks, Professor. I've got it covered.
Go do what you have to do, but make sure it doesn't happen again.
I am sorry, but I can't stay until the end of class.
Where do you need to be that is more important than school?
I have an appointment.
Do you have a plan to make up your missed work?
No, but I'll make sure someone helps me out this week with my missed work.
Are you going to go right away?
I am leaving right now.
All right, but please remember that it is your responsibility to catch up.
Thanks, Professor. I'll make sure everything gets taken care of.
Goodbye, and try not to miss any more school. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share to channel Sreyoun in order to get more video. Thank you.